Hi guys, in this video I will be making and trying viral TikTok recipes for 5 days. On day 1, I made Cookie Baked Oatmeal. You'll need oatmeal, a milk of your choice, a ripened banana, and baking powder. I used half a cup of oatmeal, 1 banana, and the riper it is, the sweeter your baked oatmeal will be. Half a cup of oat milk and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm just going to blend all the ingredients together. After all the ingredients have been blended, microwave the mixture for 3 minutes. You can add any toppings you want. I added a chocolate and some blueberries. Overall, this recipe was really easy to make and it tasted just like a delicious mug cake. On day 2, I tried the Tortilla wrap hack recipe. You need a wrap, a meat of your choice, a tomato, mixed greens, and cheese. I chopped the tomato into slices and air fried my meat choice. Then I cut half of my tortilla wrap in the middle and then I just put my ingredients in the 4 sections of my tortilla wrap. Next, I just folded the wrap in an anti-clockwise direction. If you make this, you might not want to put too many ingredients into your wrap as it might be too full to fold neatly. I loved how convenient this was and you should definitely try it out. On day 3, I made nature's cereal. For this recipe, you'll need some fruits and coconut water. Simply put your fruits in a bowl and pour in coconut water. Definitely a healthy and refreshing breakfast. On day 4, I tried Gigi Hadid's Vodka Pasta recipe but without the vodka. For this recipe, you'll need pasta, tomato puree, garlic, butter, onions, cooking cream, basil, black pepper, salt, olive oil, and cheese. I boiled my pasta for 12 minutes before taking it out to cool, then added olive oil to my pan and stir-fried the onions, garlic, and tomato puree together. Then I added cooking cream and stirred the mixture again. I added basil, salt, and black pepper before adding in my pasta. This recipe required quite a bit of ingredients and preparation time, but it tasted so good. On day 5, I tried making pancake cereal. You need flour, a milk of your choice, sugar, baking powder, and vanilla essence for your pancake batter. After making the pancake batter, I transferred it to a bottle and poked a small hole on the cap to pour out the batter in small amounts. Then I just made mini pancakes. They were so small and cute. The downside of this recipe is that it's super time consuming. I think I took about an hour and a half making this, but thankfully the final product was delicious. If you have time on your hands, you should definitely give this a shot. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.